Hey, Rob here, Trio Rescue. If you're like me and you work by yourself all the time, you don't have any help doing stuff. So, I'm doing ball joints, right? I got my lower on, now I'm doing my upper. Every time I jack up the car here, or the spindle, it starts to raise the car, right? Take you a strap. I know, there's probably a tool that you could go out and buy. Well, guess what? I'm not. I have a strap, and I'm not having to waste any time leaving or money. So I have a strap going around my jack, around the frame, and I'm just putting slight pressure on the spindle. Raise it up. Chink, 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 chink. The spindle raises without the frame raising. And then you could do your upper ball joint without having to beat, bang, cuss, yell, or throw tools.